Announced, remember, just yesterday, Sourav Ganguly, who is part of the CSC, comprising 3 legends of the game who actually were involved in the selection process, had held a press conference and said that Captain Virat Kohli was going to be consulted before the decision was going to be announced, and now the decision is out. Ravi Shastri it is. Many would say it comes as no surprise given the proximity that exists between Ravi Shastri and Captain Virat Kohli, the fact that they are believed to be on very good, cordial and friendly terms. They get along very well, and many have said from the very beginning that Virat Kohli always preferred Ravi Shastri as the coach over everyone else. Of course, you would recall Ravi Shastri was the team director for an entire year. The team did well under him, and Virat Kohli apparently wanted Ravi Shastri to continue, but then the BCCI chose Anil Kumble instead as the coach, and we all know by now what happened between Anil Kumble and Virat Kohli. The two couldn't get along well. There was speculation for a long time about the two falling out, and it was made abundantly clear by Anil Kumble himself, who stepped down. And in his resignation letter, he made it clear that all was not well between him and Virat Kohli. Since then, a hunt was on for a new coach for Team India, and many, in fact, believed that it was going to be Ravi Shastri, considering his closeness to Virat Kohli. All right, my colleague Ishwara joins us with more on that story. Ishwara, many would say, we told you so. There may have been a selection process. There may have been several interviews conducted and presentations made. There may have been a long list of candidates, 6 of them shortlisted. But it was always going to be Ravi Shastri, many would say, because of the fact that Captain Kohli favoured him over everyone else. And at the end of the day, in Indian cricket, it is the captain who calls the shots. And maybe the selection of Ravi Shastri is going to prove that.
Well,